Hello everyone! We are just a few days away from Christmas, which is very exciting, and I also think that it's the perfect time to be making cookies. So I've actually been playing around with making chocolate chip cookies, trying to figure out how I like my chocolate chip cookies to be, and I feel like I don't want to say perfected them, but I've definitely reached a place where I'm very, very happy with them. And this recipe is not anything crazy. It really is a classic chocolate chip cookie where you have a soft, gooey center and then crisp edges. So basically what I've done is I've taken the base of a classic chocolate chip cookie and I've added in a couple extra ingredients that add a warmth and just another layer of flavor that I really love. These are super easy to make, they're really yummy, and they're perfect for the holiday season. TBH, I've been working on these for so long that I'm just gonna keep eating these cookies into the new year and all year round. They're just that good. So let's get into it. Here's what you're gonna need. 1.5 cups all-purpose flour, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon baking soda dissolved in 1 teaspoon of hot water, 1 cup semi-sweet chocolate chips, 1/2 cup packed brown sugar, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract mixed with 1/2 teaspoon of almond extract, 1/2 cup white sugar, 1 egg, 1/2 cup of butter softened at room temperature, and some cinnamon to your personal taste. Make sure that your oven is preheated to 350 degrees. Then you're going to cream the butter, white sugar, and brown sugar until it's smooth. It's going to form this paste-like consistency, and once you get to that point, you want to add in the egg. And the egg is what's going to make it super creamy. From here, you just want to throw in the vanilla and almond extract that's been mixed together, the baking soda, and the salt. For the flour, I like to stir in half at a time, and this is just so the flour doesn't fly everywhere, because that's definitely happened before, and I don't need it to happen again. This is the point where I really like to add cinnamon, and I love cinnamon, so I add in some hefty handshakes, but you can do whatever you want. And this really just adds a layer of warmth to the cookies. Once your mixture looks like cookie dough, then it's time for the chocolate chips, which means we're almost there. So I actually like to fold in the chocolate chips by hand. I just really like this. I think it's because I mixed my batters and my doughs for so long by hand. There's still an element of doing things by hand that I really love. Moving over to a baking tray that has been lined with parchment paper, I take spoonfuls of the dough and I just plop it on the tray. I don't think about it, I don't try and make them perfect. I just kind of try to make them around the same size. I find that the less I worry about the size and shape of the cookies, the better they taste. Then I just pop them in the oven and bake for 10 minutes. A little trick for even baking is to turn the tray halfway through, so around the 5-minute point. You'll know that the cookies are done when the edges just start to turn a golden brown, but you really don't want to leave them in any longer than that. While the cookies are still warm, I like to sprinkle them with some sea salt, and you can use as much or as little as you like. You can also use none. And from here, all that's left to do is to eat up and enjoy them. All right, that is going to be it for my cookie recipe. I hope that you enjoy these cookies and that you have lots of yumminess in your future. Also, if you would like a hot chocolate to pair with this, I will link my hot chocolate video so you can go and watch that as well. Otherwise, this is going to be my very last video of 2018. I am going to be taking a 2-week break from posting videos so I can enjoy the holiday season and the new year, and I will be back with new videos on Fridays in 2019. Oh my God, what? It's just so crazy. Every time the end of the year comes, I'm like, oh my God, I can't believe it's about to be the next year. But I hope that you all have a wonderful holiday season. I hope that you are able to be present, and I hope you're able to spend time with people that you love and that you care about.
I'm so excited for 2019. I'm getting emotional because this year has just been such a crazy roller coaster of a year, but I am so grateful for where I am, and I'm so looking forward to what's to come. I'll see you guys next year. Bye.